Hey, that's what I be talking about. Random beat right in the middle of the video. You might just want to start the cipher. Shouts out to the cipher though. Hey, if you want to drop anything over the beats, just let DJ Is know. He'll go ahead and put you on the page. You dig? Yeah, so like you just want to start rap. That's why we just do that. You know what I'm saying? Random beat in the middle of the show. Who does that? Your boy Popcorn. Hit up the buy me a coffee because you know how we do. We monetize YouTube content out here. We ain't doing nothing for free for nobody. But you know the big homie definitely gets his buy me a coffee when he drop because he the big homie. You know what I'm saying? Go check him out. It's great stuff over there for the members. Or you can just go to his normal YouTube and become a normal member. But you know how we do. We like the people that go to the buy me a coffee because they ain't getting them YouTube percentages. You know, YouTube take a lot out of that check if you get it. Shouts out to that check though. You need that 100 minimum to be monetized monthly over there. So you know how it be. Hell, we get all our coffee money though. Shouts out to not all of it. You know, they only take it 8%, baby. That's the same percentage you was given for the taxes anyways before you even get your bill. Shout out to the feds because they gonna get theirs though. They gonna get theirs. Y'all make sure y'all go sign up for a membership. Yeah, we done got like 922 since I've been on Bobby and Coffee and memberships. So it adds up over time, right? Right. That's the good news, bad news situation there. You know, shout out to that. Boom. Keep it moving. Let's see. That's the memberships. Y'all know to go to the shop or my extra section and pick up the freebies. Y'all ain't even gotta buy none of the ones you don't want to buy. Just go pick up the free ones because you want to see the free ones. You know what I'm saying? We got plenty of them on there. Go wrap them up and max them out. Oh yeah, definitely. Shout out to Melinda Elliott. She actually pulled up on the live tonight. Appreciate that. Y'all know we already was talking about it. Y'all scroll up in the replay. Y'all see her link somewhere up there because you know how we do. We be paying them bills on time. Shout out to our level 2 members. We appreciate that because you know that's what they get. They get their video and their link dropped in the video every time I'm live, which is 3 times a week. It's a good purchase. You dig for $5 a month. I mean, damn, I might have to change that from level 2 members to level 3, but I'll give my grandfathered in members that benefit for life. I might have to change that up. It's coming up time on changing the buy me a coffee around. Yeah, you know how we do. Hit up the wish list because, you know, we got events on here in case y'all need to book your boy. Y'all got something cracking or popping off and definitely want me to be there. Well, you can make that happen by, you know, just making an event scheduling on my side. By doing that, you get me for however much time you want. 125's one day, pretty much a 4 to 8 hour event. A level 2's a 1 to 2 day, 4 to 8 hours on each day. You see what I'm saying? I'm giving you some value for that. And level 3 for 500, you get me for like a week, basically. You know what I'm saying? If I like you that much, you see what I'm saying? But we make it work for at least 5 days of shooting, whatever you're trying to get done. Holla at your boy. You know them prices is right. They probably going up because you know me, everything go up after the first 2 years. So, you know, year 3, don't act like I wasn't about the money the first 2 years. Now the price went up. Now y'all really gonna hate me. You dig? It ain't went up yet, but you know, you better get it while it's cheap. We still gonna keep some freebies on here for you. Shouts out to this scene from The Wire.
But can we just get the 8-ball?
Can we just get the 8-ball?
Alright, just being social.
This motherfucker talking too much. Where's my ball at?
Thank you.
Trying to go smoke some dope.